Howdy there folks, it's Amelia from Sleepopolis, and today we're going to be talking about the Vicks filter-free cool mist humidifier. Now, humidifiers are great for adding some moisture into the air while you're sleeping, and this can help preventing waking up with a dry, scratchy throat, prevent nosebleeds, and overall just keep your nasal passages nice and moist. If you live in a really dry area or you struggle with any of these issues at night, a humidifier can be a really big help. Now, in this review, I'm going to go over some of the key features of the Vicks filter-free cool mist humidifier. I'm going to go over how to use it and my experience using it. And at the end of the video, I'll go over some of my pros and cons for it. Now, if you end up being interested in buying this humidifier, you can click the link in the description to get our best deal on it. If you do end up buying, we may earn a commission, and that helps us to fund our testing and keep our content free to you guys. All right, let's get started. Let's kick this review off with a quick overview of the policies and prices for the Vicks filter-free cool mist humidifier. Now, right now you can buy this humidifier on Amazon for around $40. The price range for our humidifiers can be as low as $20 all the way to over $200, so I would say this is a pretty good price. Additionally, it is eligible for free shipping on Amazon. However, it's not eligible for returns. It can only be returned or refunded if the product arrives defective. Here's what the humidifier looks like assembled, but let's take a closer look at some of its key features. The tank of this humidifier can hold a gallon of water, and when full, the humidifier can run for 36 hours. The cover of the humidifier features a directional mist outlet, which allows you to control the direction of the flow of mist. At the top, there's also a carrying handle to make carrying the tank simpler. At the base of the humidifier, there's a scent pad door where you can place Vicks scent pads, which are soothing menthol vapors. It can hold up to 2 Vapopads in this door. There's also the control switch, which features a nightlight. Additionally, this humidifier does not have a filter, which simplifies the cleaning process and eliminates the need to repurchase and replace any extra parts. Now let's go over how to use the Vicks filter-free cool mist humidifier. First, you'll need to remove the tank from the base of the humidifier. You twist the tank cap off to open the tank, and then you'll want to fill it up with water. Once full, replace the cap and take the tank back to the base. Place the tank onto the base and plug in your humidifier. If you want to use a Vapopad, add it into the scent pad door. Then turn the switch to your desired level. If you want to change the direction of the mist, you can twist the directional mist outlet in your desired direction. Alright, with all that in mind, let's go over some of the pros and cons for this humidifier, starting off with the pros. Now first, I really like that this humidifier has the directional mist outlet that lets you control the direction the mist is going in. That's super helpful for ensuring that the mist goes towards you, especially if you can't place the humidifier close to your bed. Next, I appreciate that you can add the Vicks Vapopad to this humidifier to get that extra relief for your cough or congestion. Additionally, because the tank is clear, you can easily see your water level and know when it's going to be time to refill your humidifier. Now, on to the cons. So first, I would say that the nightlight feature on this humidifier might be distracting for some sleepers who are easily bothered by light, as there is no way to turn it off. Next, none of the pieces of this humidifier are machine washable, which does reduce the ease of cleaning. And finally, I would say that this humidifier is a little bit noisy, which could be disruptive to some lighter sleepers who are easily disturbed by noise. Well folks, that's all for today's review of the Vicks filter-free cool mist humidifier. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. If you want to check out any more of our bedding, mattress, or sleep accessory reviews, you can head over to our YouTube channel or over to sleepopolis.com, where you can also find some exclusive coupons. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!